Good morning, everybody. We're taking a look at today the new and improved WALDORF ASTORIA. Here we go. We have a nice gentleman doorman. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
It's been out of service for like 8 years now, more or less. It looks beautiful. It's just like the old days. Nice. Beautiful floors. Very nice, very nice. Nice renovation. Morning. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Everything brand spanking new. Elevators are the same. Same design. Here's the main lobby, I think it is. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Big bar. Beautiful chandelier. This is in the middle of the hotel lobby. Here we go. Plenty of seating. We have a piano. Old school chandeliers are still here. Nice bar in the lobby. Get your free newspaper. Nice dining area. We're going out to the other side. We're going from Madison Avenue. We're going across to Park Avenue. Or is it Lexington?
It's a renovation. There's all construction stuff.
Okay, this is the other end. How do you come on? How do you
Lexington.
Beautiful, beautiful. Everything nice and clean. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice statue. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, sir. And that was your quick little viewing of the ground floor lobby of the newly refurbished Waldorf Astoria. Hope you enjoyed. So long from New York City. Hello, Chrysler Building. Hello, Midtown traffic. Good day, everybody.